If you don't want to lose your WhatsApp again, here's the full backup guide for chats and videos. So open your WhatsApp and right here at the top right corner, you want to locate the settings icon. For Androids, which is what we're using here, you can see the three dots at the top right corner, so tap on it, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you want to tap on chats. Then under chats, you'll see some options. Scroll down to find chat backup. It's among the last three options. So you want to find chat backup, tap on it, and there you see the chat backup dashboard where you have some options. You can see the green backup button right there, and you could also see where you can manage your Google storage. It's going to provide you with details such as how much you've used and how much is left. And then, of course, you can see the Google account which you're using for your WhatsApp backup. If you're not using any, you can tap in that area. Well, it will prompt you if it's the first time. Then, of course, if you don't want to lose your chats, this will automatically save your chats. However, if you want to include videos, you can toggle the videos right on. On this device, videos are not toggled on, and so only the chat will be backed up. Backing up videos will increase your storage requirements as videos do take up more space. You could also set the frequency of your backups. Here you can see automatic backups daily. So if you tap on automatic backups, you have the option to choose between daily, weekly, monthly, or once you tap on the backup option. It is recommended to backup daily as this will ensure you're losing as little as possible in case of a mishap.